In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on AvaTrade. Now, this is actually very simple. Here, once you are inside your AvaTrade account, click on here where it says trade, the top left, and then you have to basically select what you want to trade. So, for example, I'm going to go to crypto over here, and I'm going to select BTC USD, okay? Now, over here, of course, you can directly sell by clicking this button right next to it, which will take you inside your order entry, where you can then go ahead and select sell, and then select the amount or lots over here, and then you'll be able to see all the different details. You could also enable more options over here if you want to actually take profit, stop loss, etc. Or you could just go ahead and click on the sell button and sell that way. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Or of course, you could also open it up on the chart. So just click on whatever you want to trade, and then you can click the sell button here on your chart. It's going to take you inside the very same order entry page where you can just go ahead, select your order, and then click on sell, and that's how you can sell. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.